Hello there, this is me Bijaya Dash and welcome to my YouTube channel Bijaya.net. And how are you all? I'm keeping cool by the grace of Almighty, and I hope you are doing great too by the grace of Almighty. So today I'm here to discuss about a very cool topic for you guys. So do you know that what my today's topic is? Yeah, you're right. Today in this presentation, I'm gonna talk about a very interesting topic called some important telephone phrasal verbs that will help you a lot to communicate with a person in a great way, in a great manner over a telephone conversation, and it will also help you to make yourself so much smarter. So I hope you will enjoy this video a lot. So I don't want to waste a lot of time of yours, so no more talking, let's start our mission. Hang on. It's a very common phrasal verb for a telephone. That means to wait for a short time. Sometimes in a telephone, we need to keep waiting someone for a very short time. And if you need to do it, you can use this phrase called hang on. That means to wait for a short time. To wait for a short time. Or here another person also keep yourself in a waiting for a short time. So here you can call it hang on. That means to wait for a short time. So here you can say this as this way called, could you please hang on a minute? Could you please hang on a minute? So here it means you are gonna keep waiting someone for a short time. So here you can use this phrase called hang on. That means to wait for a short time. Call back. Sometimes we need to cut the call, and after cutting the call, we need to call someone again. So here you can use this phrase called call back. That means to call or to telephone somebody again or return. So if you need to do it, you can use this phrase called call back. Call back. That means to call or telephone somebody again or in return. Pick up. So in our daily life, we already know about we have already heard like, don't you want to pick up my call? So what does it mean? So here it means, don't you want to give the answer of my call? So here pick up means to answer a telephone conversation, to answer a telephone call. So here if you need to give the answer of a telephone call, you can use this phrase called pick up. Pick up. That means to answer a telephone call. So here you can use all of them in a great way, and if you can use all of them in your daily life, so that will be really great, and you will be able to learn a lot of things, and you will be able to be a great smarter in your daily life. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you have already learned a lot of things over my today's presentation. So that's all for today. Next time I'll come up with another interesting presentation, and if you like this presentation, so please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and of course press the bell icon for my next video. So that's all for today. Now it's time to go. Next time I'll come up with another interesting video presentation. Till then, bye bye.